Subject Mathematics, Standard 8, Chapter number 5, Expansion Formulae, म्हणजे विस्तार सूत्रे. Expansion of a minus b bracket cube, cube of subtraction of two terms. Here, a is the first term and b is the second term. A minus b bracket cube is equal to a minus b multiplied by a minus b multiplied by a minus b. A minus b multiplied by a minus b into a minus b is equal to a minus b bracket square. We know that a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Use this formula here. A minus b, the first bracket, multiplied by a minus b bracket square चा expansion आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. A square minus twice ab plus b square is equal to. सेकंड ब्रॅकेट ने आपण फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट मधल्या प्रत्येक टर्मला मल्टिप्लाय करू. म्हणजे a मल्टिप्लाइड बाय a स्क्वेअर मायनस ट्वाइस ab प्लस b स्क्वेअर मायनस b इंटू a स्क्वेअर मायनस ट्वाइस ab प्लस b स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल. a ने आपण ब्रॅकेटच्या प्रत्येक टर्मला मल्टिप्लाय करू. a इंटू a स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू a क्यूब मायनस a इंटू negative किंवा minus 2ab is equal to minus 2a square b plus a into b square minus b ने आपण a square minus twice ab plus b square ला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर निगेटिव्ह साइन आहे म्हणून आतमधले साइन पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर निगेटिव्ह होईल आणि निगेटिव्ह असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह. मीन्स minus b multiplied by a square means a minus a square b, here negative negative positive म्हणजे plus b into twice a b means twice ab square आणि पुन्हा इथे निगेटिव्ह साइन ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर आहे आणि आतमध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह म्हणून मायनस b into b square is equal to b cube is equal a cube. इथे आपण लाईक टर्म शोधू. twice a square b आणि इथे सुद्धा a square b आहे. दोन्ही ठिकाणी निगेटिव्ह साइन असल्यामुळे मायनस असल्यामुळे काय करायचं, बेरीज ऍडिशन करायची आपल्याला आणि याचा कोएफिशिएंट दिलेला नाही तो 1 गृहीत धरायचा. 2 plus 1 3 म्हणजे मायनस 3 a square b प्लस ab स्क्वेअर आणि प्लस 2ab स्क्वेअर मीन्स होईल 2 plus 1 3 ab square आणि लास्ट टर्म आहे निगेटिव्ह b क्यूब. Therefore a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Means first term minus second term bracket cube is equal to first term cube minus 3 into first term square multiplied by second term plus 3 into first term multiplied by second term square minus second term cube. Using this formula, let us solve exercise. Practice it 5.3. Expand. Example number 1. 2m minus 5 bracket cube. A minus b bracket cube or cube of a minus b is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here a is equal to 2m and b is equal to 5. Put this value 2m minus 5 bracket cube is equal to a cube means 2m cube minus 3 into 2m square multiplied by 5 plus 3 into 2m multiplied by 5 square minus 5 cube. is equal to 2m cube means 8m cube minus 3 into 2 squares means 4 m square multiplied by 5 plus 3 2s are 6m multiplied by 5 square means 25 minus 5 cube means 125 is equal to 8m cube minus 4 into 3 or 3 into 4 is equal to 12m square multiplied by 5 plus 25 into 6 means 150m minus 125 is equal to 8m cube minus 12 5s are 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Therefore, 2m minus 5 cube is equal to 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Example number 2. 4 minus p bracket cube. Let us use the formula a minus b bracket cube. Here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to p. Therefore, 4 minus p bracket cube is equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square into p plus 3 into 4 into b square means p square minus p cube is equal to 4 cube means 64 minus 3 into 4 square means 16 into p plus 4 into 3 means 12 p square minus p cube is equal to 64 minus 3 16 are 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Therefore, 4 minus p bracket cube is equal to 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Example number 3. 7x minus 9y bracket cube. Here we know that a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Put a is equal to 7x, b is equal to 9y. 7x minus 9y bracket cube is equal to 7x cube minus 3 into 7x square multiplied by 9y plus 3 into 7x multiplied by 9y square minus 9y bracket cube is equal to 7x cube means 7 cube multiplied by x cube. 7 cube means 343 x cube minus 3 into 7 squares means 49 multiplied by x square into 9y plus 3 into 7 means 21x into 9 squares means 81 y square minus 9 cube means 729 y cube is equal to 343 x cube minus 3 into 49 multiplied by 9 is equal to 1323 x square y plus 21x into 81y square is equal to 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. Therefore, 7x minus 9y bracket cube is equal to 343 x cube minus 1323 x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. Example number 4. 58 cube. 58 cube means 60 minus 2 bracket cube. Let us use the formula. A minus B bracket cube is equal to A cube minus thrice A square B plus thrice AB square minus B cube. Here A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 2. 60 minus 2 bracket cube is equal to 60 cube minus 3 into A square means 60 square multiplied by B means 2 plus 3 into 60 multiplied by B square means 2 square minus 2 cube is equal to 6 cube means 216 and 30 means 2,16,000 minus 3 into 60 square means 3,600 multiplied by 2 plus 3 into 16 is equal to 180 multiplied by 2 squares means 4 minus 2 cube means 8 is equal to 2,16,000 minus 3 into 3,600 multiplied by 2, we get 21,600 plus 180 multiplied by 4 is equal to 720 minus 8. Here 2,16,000 minus 21,600 we get, subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 and subtract 10 from 6 we get 4, 1 carry, here is the 10, carry return. Subtract 2 from 6 we get 4 and then again here is the 11, carry return. And subtract 2 from 11 we get 9. Then 1,94,400 plus, do this subtraction, we get 712. Then additions 2, 1, 1,95,120. Therefore, 58 cube is equal to 1,95,120. 198 cube is equal to 200 minus 2 bracket cube. Let us use the formula. A minus B bracket cube. Here A is equal to 200 and B is equal to 2. Putting the value. 198 cube is equal to 200 minus 2 bracket cube is equal to A cube means 200 cube minus 3 into 200 square into 2 plus 3 into 200 multiplied by 2 square minus 2 cube is equal to 2 cube 8 and then put the 6 0. means 80 lakhs minus 3 into 200 squares, 2 square 4, and here is the 2 0, therefore put the 4 zeros. 40,000 multiplied by 2 plus 3 into 200 means 600 into 2 square means 4 minus 8 is equal 80 lakhs minus 3 into 4 then 12, 12 into 2, 24. Then put the 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we get 2,40,000 plus 600 into 4 is equal to 2400 means 2,400 minus 8 is equal. Subtract 2,40,000 from 80 lakhs. Here is 80 lakhs minus 2,40,000. We get, subtract 0 from 0, we get 0. Subtract 0 from 4. Therefore, we cannot subtract. Therefore, carry 1, we get the 10. Subtract 4 from 10, we get 6. Carry return. Here is subtract 0 from thing. Here, we take carry 1 from next place. Therefore, here is the 10. Subtract 3 from 10. We get 7 and carry return. Subtract 1 from 8. We get 7. Hence, we get 77 lakhs 60,000 plus 2,400 minus 8. Here we subtract first. We get, subtract 8 from 2,400. We get 2,392. At this number, we get 2, 9, 3, 2, 6, 7 and 4. Is 77 lakhs 62,392. Therefore, 198 cube is equal to 77 lakhs 62,392.